Hey, today is Friday, last day of the work week. At saka first time kong magtatrabaho sa co-working space dito sa Skolta. Ang pangalan ng building ay First United Building. Parang bahay lang ano. That's the view of the old Manila. May free coffee din. May books yata. Malamig pa. I think I'm gonna do this again.